All right, so for my tech enthusiasts in the house, I have an offer for you. So if you are a tech person, you are into remote jobs, and you are into this, and you are looking for the perfect backup system for your devices, you are looking for something that can power your devices and give you a longer lasting time, I present to you this inverter and charger. This inverter, as you are seeing, it comes with a deep cycle AGM battery. It is 12 volt 40 amps, and also it comes with the inverter itself. This inverter comes with the charger. As you can see, it's 1000 watt DC to AC solar power inverter. So just like you use your power banks in your houses, you can also use this to save electricity. So if you are in a place where you have light, most times you can buy this for yourself. And when you have lights, what you have to do, is what you plug this to this, you plug this here, then you plug this here. Once you have this plugged to your light, your light mains, you can save up light in this. This particular setup will give you 500 watts of power stored in it. This laptop, as you can see, it uses 65 wattage of electricity. This my monitor uses 28 wattage of electricity, and this my system here uses 50 watt of electricity. So I'll be plugging it to the inverter so you guys can see if it works or not. If you want this setup, you can send me a DM today. If you are into you have something to do with light, and you know light has been giving you issues, please get this for yourself today. You can send me a DM if you want this. So this is you can see the inverter now is on. Bring it closer so that we can see. Now the inverter is on. Now I'm going to plug my extension to the inverter. As you can see the power. The power is on. I'm going to plug it here. Now this is my extension, and all my gadgets are plugged. Now you can see my monitor is on. My system is also charging. As you can see, my system is charging. Is it showing it? My system is charging. You can see it's already displaying here, and my system here too is also getting charged. As you can see it's charging. You can see the light, it's charging. So somebody's going to come and ask me that, does this thing last for a longer time? Now, like I told you earlier, that this thing is just 500 watts. So this thing will last. If I'm using it for a 5 watts wattage energy consumption, oh Jesus! If I'm using it for a 10 watts power supply, it's going to last for 50 hours. So assuming I'm using this for my system that is 65 watts, that means that's going to last for at least 8 hours. That's 65 times 8 to give you 500 watts. If I'm using it for a monitor that uses 28 watts, now divided by the wattage of this thing. Once it's full, you can get the wattage that it comes with it. So if you want this, you can send me a DM today. I've been using this for a long time, and I can tell you that this thing works. So if you have light, you have it stored in it. Probably you're having a 1 day off, one day on, 1 day off in your area. Maybe 2 days on, 1 day off. So during that 1 day off that you're having, you already have your light stored in this. It's an inverter. You can also connect your solar panel to it. If you want the solar panel options too, we can have it for you. There will be more deals on this. So if you have not followed us, please follow us, because we'll be creating, in the few days, we'll be giving out more deals that you can use as a tech enthusiast. Jesus is Lord. We'll be giving you more deals that you can use as a tech enthusiast. See you in my next video. Thank you.